Did you know that the skin is the body's largest organ? It protects us, helps regulate temperature, and even plays a role in our immune system. Taking care of our skin is essential, and lately, everyone's been talking about glass skin, that luminous, seemingly poreless complexion that's become synonymous with Korean beauty. But is it really a secret, or is it achievable for everyone? For years, I've been diving deep into the world of skincare, exploring ingredients, routines, and philosophies from around the globe. And let me tell you, the Korean approach to skincare is truly unique. It's not just about products. It's about a holistic philosophy that prioritizes hydration, nourishment, and gentle care. In this essay, I'm excited to share a 7-day guide to help you achieve that coveted glass skin glow. And trust me, it's simpler than you might think. But first, let me tell you about a secret weapon that will take your skincare game to the next level. Keep reading to find out. Are you ready to embark on a journey to healthier, more radiant skin? This 7-day plan is designed to be simple, effective, and easily adaptable to your skin type and concerns. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to skincare. Stick with the routine, be patient, and you'll start to see noticeable improvements in your skin's texture, tone, and overall appearance. Over the next few sections, we'll break down each day's steps, providing clear instructions and product recommendations. But before we dive in, let's talk about the secret ingredient that will amplify your results. This game changer is all about maximizing the effectiveness of your skincare routine. Intrigued? Stay tuned. All will be revealed soon. Let's get into the nitty-gritty of our 7-day glass skin routine. Each day follows a similar structure, focusing on gentle cleansing, hydration, and protection. 1. Start your day by washing your face with a gentle cleanser. 2. Apply a hydrating toner to balance your skin's pH levels. 3. Use a vitamin C serum to brighten and protect your skin from environmental damage. 4. Hydrate your skin with a lightweight moisturizer. 5. Always apply sunscreen with at least SPF 30. 1. Remove makeup and impurities with an oil-based cleanser, followed by a water-based cleanser. 2. Use a gentle exfoliator to remove dead skin cells and promote cell turnover. 3. Apply toner again to prep your skin for the next steps. 4. Pat in a hydrating essence to boost moisture levels. 5. Apply a serum targeted to your specific skin concerns, like hyaluronic acid for hydration or niacinamide for brightening. 6. Indulge in a hydrating or brightening sheet mask for an extra boost of nourishment. 7. Gently tap in an eye cream to hydrate and protect the delicate skin around your eyes. 8. Lock in all the goodness with a nourishing moisturizer. 9. Apply a sleeping mask as the last step in your routine for intense hydration overnight. Remember, this is just a general guideline. Feel free to adjust the products and steps based on your skin's needs and preferences. And don't forget about that secret tip coming up. It's going to change the way you think about skincare.